Are you being real demanding about going to look out the window? Did you hear that camp robber? You want to go? You change your mind? You don't want to go? You want to look out the window or not? You look like you don't anymore. No, you don't want to step up? Are you sure? Come on, step up. No? Okay. Okay, unicorn bird. Well, she was screaming and screaming and yelling like that. And sticking her wings out and prancing around like, bring me to the window. And now she's just, you're recording, so I'm not going to do what I was doing. You'll use it against me. Okay. Let's go away from the window. What would you do? Oh. What do you want? You want to go to the window? Honey, it's hard for me to record this. You want to go to the window? Yes? No? Oh, there's a camp robber out there. Magpie. Yeah. I noticed you started to fluff and then didn't floof. Where did it go for a second? Yeah. Oh, another half floof. You can do another floof? Yeah. Oh. Don't yell at the birdies. Hurts mommy's ears. Let's go away from the window. No, Mom, no. No. I want to be at the window. Yeah. Okay, let's go away from the window. No, Mom, no. No, bring me back. Honey, I want to eat some lunch. You can wait. What are you even looking at? Okay, let's go away from the window. Oh, that was really... Stop. Bring me back. There's like nothing to look at out here. No birds or bunnies running around. Nothing. Oh, except for that bird. Okay, that bird's gone now. Oh, no, it's not. It's back. Okay. Okay, now it's gone. Okay, so let's go away from the window. No, Mom. Can we go away from the window? Bring you back to the window? But I want to go away from the window. Can we do that? Are you done now? She's still looking at it. Are you done? Yeah. Bring me back. I want to see. Mom, I want to see. I want to see. You're such a dork. I could be stuck here at this window for an hour. Oh, you're all blurry. Come on, there we go. You have to survey your kingdom. Make sure all is going well. Yeah. Are you watching the cars on the road? 'Cause I don't see any other birdies. Or are you yelling at the birdies to come back? Yeah. Ow, that was hard, honey. She just bit my finger, basically. Okay, let's leave the window. Mom, no. Mom, no. Mom, I must see. I must see out the window. I must see. Where'd you go? Are you on my back? Come here. Mom. Mom. I wasn't ready. Can we go back? You want to go back? Yeah. Oh, okay. Bring me back. Come on, Mom. Bring me back. I want to see. I want to see. You're such a dork. Yeah.